So to get started on this week's design, what I've done is painted my nails white. And then as you can see here, I've used different combinations of colours on each nail. So there's 2 different tones sponged on each. So onto this thumbnail, I'm going to do a combination of green and a pink and a yellow mixed together to make a softer orange. Once you're happy with the sponging, I'm just going to apply it over the top this scattered hollow, and this is one of my own. You can find the link below where you can purchase this. To finish the design off, we're going to do some stamping. So I'm using this image plate. This is from bornprettystore, and there's 10% off code down below if you wish to purchase anything on the site. The code for this plate is L003, and this is Spring Garden. As you can see, I'm stamping in black.